He did it, not me. He did it.
It's funny, I don't show up. There's so many other. No, it's because you're so much you're kind of holding something. So sometimes I show up as the first. Here I don't show up. So I don't want to do it. I mean, if I say Chicago, it works. If I say Chicago, so that's why. Double hits. We have another. Sorry,
Everyone, just a quick 5-minute warning, we'll be getting started soon, so yeah, take your seats, make sure you got a drink, and we'll get started soon. Thank you.
run in there and get your lighting on. Right now, we're talking about I just didn't want to talk about how big websites. Make websites events. But I don't do these. I wasn't impressed. Press is just a side thing just to get into events. It's just so what I used to do some learning just to get into events. I don't do journalism. But anyway, I came to Japan a year and a half ago. Super cheap, and I always wanted to go to Japan. I was really good at my job, and so I said, okay, let's go. He had the components, and after a week, I just came to my job, and I said, and I've been stuck here He just ended up getting married. 2 kids. First, you're good looking. Stuff that makes money.
Hey everyone, yeah, you can take your seats. We're going to get started on the mic. Get yourselves comfortable. Oh yeah. The sofas are really nice, by the way. Don't be scared of the sofas. I'm not always scared of the sofas. It's loud. Let's see. Okay, yeah. Welcome everybody to the second VR Hub Tokyo event. Thank you all for coming tonight. First, some kind of venue information. If you need the toilet, they're back through this way. We go through the offices, straightforward. Secondly, there's no smoking in the venue or outside, so you have to kind of walk away from the venue if you want to find somewhere to smoke. And lastly, when the event finishes, this is a residential area, so we ask everyone politely not to get too rowdy in the streets talking about tech or anything else. We know what you guys are like. So this is our second event. So we've just set up a website, VRHubTokyo.com, which has our event information, and we're hoping to grow into more of a hub for these events, to share information, to talk about what people are up to here in Tokyo. Also, we've got a Twitter account and a hashtag for the event, so if anyone wants to take pictures, tweet, mention anything about the talks, please feel free.
VR Hub Tokyo Meetup.
Okay, yeah, VR Hub Tokyo Meetup. I'll correct that one and put it back up later. Thank you. So a quick explanation about the event. So even though we're called VR Hub Tokyo, there's actually a lot of discussion here and interested in augmented reality and mixed reality. So we're happy to encompass all of that in the event and to discuss it all. So, but our aim is to bring together kind of the international entrepreneurs, developers, designers, enthusiasts here in Tokyo, and try and merge with the Japanese community as well here to see what awesome things people can create together. So tonight we've added to the schedule lightning talks. So we've got a few lined up already. There's space for a couple more people. So what this concept is, basically, if you want to get up, you've got 1 minute to talk about anything relevant to the event. So if you've got a project you're working on that you need help with, or you just want to tell people around about, or you've got a job that's relevant to the meetup that you're looking to hire for, then it's a perfect time to come up, 1 minute talk, no slides, just let it be known, and then you can be easy to start conversations with people afterwards, and hopefully that'll lead on to some interesting things. And also in regards, future events, we're always looking for speakers, we're always looking for people to exhibit. So if you're interested in anything like that, then please, don't hesitate to come and speak to myself or Artis. Or Misaki, yeah. So once again, the embarrassing handshake, that's incorrect. So tonight's event we have two excellent speakers. We'll have, first up, we'll have the Kabuto team talking about their project, which was born out of the VR Startup Weekend here in Tokyo. Then in between that, we'll have the lightning talks quickly. And following that, we'll have Kazukiya Toriyoshi, is that correct? Sharing some wisdom from the venture capital world. So, I'll just leave that there temporarily. So just to sum up, just come talk to us, help share your suggestions for the event, how you think things went. But most importantly, talk to each other, see what's going on, share ideas. Try out some of the exhibitions. We've got Scott over here today, who's kindly brought his Oculus, and will be demoing the client for people who want to give VR a go. So we've also got HoloLens here tonight, which is excellent if you haven't tried one yet. So the computer team as well will be showing off their work so far. So I think that about covers everything. So hand over to Artis, who is going to do a recap in Japanese.
本日は日本語の方いらっしゃいますか？日本語で。じゃあ少し日本語で紹介しますね。私はアーティストと申します。このイベントのコーオーガナイザーです。本日はこういう大変な雨でお越しいただき誠にありがとうございます。今回は2回目この VR コミュニティのミートアップをやっています。本日は本当に素晴らしいプログラムを用意しました。キーセッションにはカブトですね、VR スタートアップイベントであった素晴らしい日本の歴史とサムライ VR のエンターテインメントのソリューションですね。それで、その後、こういう新聞さんはベンチャーカピタリストですね、ベンチャーカピタルのベテラン、ベンチャーカピタルの活用する方法を紹介します。今回は体験コーナーを用意しましたですね。スコットさんはインフォポケットという会社で、オクルスリフトの体験コーナーを用意しました。いつも楽しくやってるモイさんはホロレンズを紹介します。試すことが可能ですね。もちろん、カブトさんの体験コーナーもありますし、私は本日はこの YouTube の360度の生放送と遊んでますね。それも体験コーナーとして提供いたしますね。もし何か質問がありましたら紹介します。本日はいつもと違う形でこのライトニングトークもやってますね。皆さん何か一本で紹介したいとか紹介したいですね。VR と VR 関係でぜひ声かけていただければと思います。では本日は楽しい時間の発表したいと思います。よろしくお願いします。それで、まずはライトニングトークで始めましょう。スコットさん、拍手をお願いします。
My name is Scott. I'm from Info Bucket, and tonight I have brought my Oculus Rift system here, and I had to think really quickly about how I'm going to be able to handle 20 to 30 different people and what type of an experience I can show everyone. So it was decided that I'm going to take you on a journey into virtual rock climbing tonight. So, as with all VR, everyone's experience is unique and different. Some of the downside is that you might feel eye strain, you might have a headache or have any sweats. If you have any problems, just raise your hand and we'll come over and remove the system from you. Afterwards, if you'd be so kind, I have a 14-question survey in both English and Nihongo on a different computer. If you could kindly just fill that out, that'd be very, very, very grateful to help me do some market analysis. And then we'll stand what you guys think of virtual reality, what it means to you, how it makes you feel. So right now, what I want you all to think about is virtual reality. What do you think about it right now? How do you feel? Do you feel calm, neutral, are you excited? So, and then afterwards, think about how you feel after you have the experience of virtual walk-on. So I'm also going to be putting out some information that some of the expositions I just went to the last couple of weeks at IVR, which is manufacturing, and how VR is being used in manufacturing, and of course Content Tokyo, which took place last week. So please feel free to ask me any questions during the experience, and I'll do my best to answer. Thank you very much. Would anyone else like to come up? You already know.
Konnichiwa. Everybody understands konnichiwa.
No.
Even in Japanese. So, my name is Jay. I'm from California. Just got here about 5 days ago in Tokyo. And I'm here to introduce our project. But more than our project, I'm here to introduce a new technology and ability around virtual reality, which is VR. So as many of you know, virtual reality is taking off, but the best part is virtual reality in the web browser. So, who here has heard of WebVR before? A couple of people. So, to clarify a little bit more for everybody, you open your web browser and you experience virtual reality inside the web browser. Very simple. And we're so excited about the technology. It's together with the 3D web. So essentially what we're looking at is next generation of web applications and web computing. And I'm here to just celebrate that we can finally do 3D web internet. And the good news is you can have a 3D experience on a phone, on a tablet, and also with the click of a button, you can go into virtual reality. So at this moment, what I would like to do is give you our information website. So it's a Strapdoor. Please make a note. I don't have enough cards to give to everybody. But you just very simply go to strapdoor.info and you will see the invitation for our WebVR party that is happening here in Tokyo at the end of the month. And the date is, in Tokyo, it's Saturday, June 29th. So the last Saturday of June at 11 a.m. The reason why we're doing it at 11 a.m. is because at the same time we are having the party in San Francisco, which is Friday night at 7 p.m. So it's going to be a really cool, fun event. It's in Yotsuya. We have a really nice venue. It's a kind of an underground venue with some music, and it's going to be a lot of fun. And so the goal is just to come and celebrate web-based virtual reality. On the website, you can see a little bit about the platform. This is not open yet. We have not launched officially yet, but I'm very happy to be here and meet everybody. So once again, please make sure you go to strapdoor.info and come to the party. It's an open invitation for all. You can RSVP through a link, and it's free to come, and we hope that you guys come. Using questions, please come see me, and I look forward to meet all of you. Thank you.
We'll get the details up, we'll put it up on the screen when everyone's chatting away, just if you missed any information. Yeah, you can speak to Jay directly, or you'll be able to find it again up here, we'll get there for you. So,
Hello. My name is Shingo. I work at TIS company. Today, I show you HoloLens demo. HoloLens is head-mount type holographic computer. I think it will become popular in the future. Please come on and play on my booth. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Anybody else?
So yeah, well, if anyone else wants to do a lightning talk, if you just either flag down or I think we'll squeeze you in between. But I can see the computer team stood ready to come out, so we'll get them out for their talk now. So a big round of applause because you'll see the outfit is the best costumes you'll see, perhaps at a meetup anywhere. So yeah, give us a round of applause for the meetup. You can't move too quickly in those outfits.
Thank you. Yeah. Wait a moment, sorry.電気は少し暗くなったです。すいません。So I show you the parts of the promotional movie, the video.
VR スタートアップ以外です。
それではexplain about 日本語で大丈夫ですかSo again, thanks for coming today. So we are Hub. So as he explained about, so we are the team of the startup weekend. So this is the agenda. So who are we, right? So we are Hub. So startup weekend is here. So the last month, so it was a 3-day business competition. So we participated and we organized a team. And after the event, we keep on marketing and we keep on developing this idea. And now, so the movie you saw before is a video we made in the business competition. 日本語の方がいいですか？大丈夫。すみません。So first, let me explain about capital. So some of guys don't know about the capital, right? So let me explain about what is capital. So this is the introduction. So capital was once used as a part of samurai's armor, so which protected the head part. As you know, samurai was a battle soldier, and battle soldier existed in Japan around 15th to 16th century. So they fought with swords and bows, spears, and wore special armors like that. And some famous samurai are picked as main characters of famous drama like Sanada, as you saw this part. So kabuto is also a family symbol. Each kabuto has different marks and styles, and it makes it easy to recognize who they are, even in the battlefield. It is said that strong design means strong families power. By the way, today's style is Sanada style, Sanada family, right? This mark. So who was fought with Tokugawa Ieyasu, with a famous warrior general in the history. So move on to the main part. So this is our mission. Our mission is to become Sengoku ambassador, spread our Sengoku culture via latest technology. So focus on user experience. Sengoku has a huge potential market. However, this culture still be misunderstood. So we gotta spread it correctly using latest technology. So let's move on to the product finally. Our product is making Sengoku world through transmissive air. So users can experience Sengoku battle style with various Sengoku samurais. Putting on AR device, and even each opponent have different combat style and become stronger based on users' actions. This is like a learning system. So fields and opponents can be selected by preference. So what is transmissive AR? So this picture is a kind of explanation. So by using mirror, users can experience projected objects and real world at the same time. So this is the contents. So what is the content? So battlefield is basically actual base like a Sekigahara or Odawara, like a real world. let's summarize so you can express, you can figure out as vibration, exactly. It's also connected to touching sense. So another company, Hado, is doing some kind of using technology. So let me show the video. So Hado is a Japanese startup using AR VR VR technology. Yeah. Now they're using horoscopes like that. It's not released yet, but now they're here. So this company has begins an idea from the Hado, the Hadoken in Japanese. So you can you can fire the Hado and looks like firing the Hado using the VR scope and then point to the air like that. So let me explain about some marketing. So after we gonna complete this program, we'll put these kind of tools to the museums and send-off events and expo and live online video streaming. So our target is Edo Tokyo Hakubukan, which is the most famous Edo museum in Tokyo. And also it's like a Hado. Yeah, Hado became famous because of the live online video streaming. So we're gonna imitate their strategy. Also, these are the potential partners. So first one is a Koei. It's the most famous company. It's one of the most famous content company in Japan. And first time fest that was already done last Sunday. So around 1,000. I'm not sure about that. Many people came to the venue and gathering. So this is the Hado. And also last two is Rekishizuru and Rekishin Taigu. Rekishizuru is a bar to gather the Rekishi fanatics. And Rekishin Taigu is kind of a actors group who focused on the Sengoku samurais.
Or are you two different headsets?
Could that be sorry?
Are you going to construct your own headsets like this?
Yeah, we're gonna make
You're going to build your own.
we're gonna start making that.
What's your target price point or headset?
First one. Alright, so nowadays the Microsoft HoloLens is coming, and it is far more expensive. We are think so we're gonna release the cheap the how can I say the good price. Not cheap, yeah, good price. So we're gonna make some handy AR to collaborate with single partners. Cuttable, like a cuttable.
Can I sign up? Sign up for the release? I'm going first together.
Yeah.
What about Kickstarter?
Kickstarter.
Yeah. So Kickstarter is a platform you can use where you can get investors to spend money on your idea. Once you have a viable prototype unit, you can have these people invest in your organization, get your funding, and you can refine and then produce a quality product.
Yeah.
And basically they get shares and everybody gets the product and other incentives to the form.
Yes, that's true. So we can also making some, we can make, how can I say, offering some business competitions like that, and gathering some engineers people, and how can I say, enhancing our quality of demo. And after enhancing our quality of demo, so we can release to these Kickstarters or kind of crowdfunding like that. But first, we have to make some more improvement of the demo. So that's why,
Your demo will be fully contained wireless. It's an self-contained unit, correct?
Sorry.
The unit itself, when your initial prototype beyond this,
Yeah.
will be self-contained, so you don't need a computer.
Yeah. That's it.
All in one.
Yes, that's it. That's a strong point. So that's very handy. Yes. We don't do any facility, we don't do any big computers, we don't do any data storage like that. If you have these tools, you can build these kind of things.
So one more question before we have to move on.
And will it be the case with this headset, with some great technology in it, you can have lots of different games and programs about other things, not just Japan? Or is this headset only going to have the Japan, the historical content on it, and you can't change the content for other games?
Actually, so we can change the content. Also, we can want to expand our business to overseas. So in the future, but also focus on the good market and expand it. Thank you.
So there'll be a setup in the back here after we've finished all the talk, so please go and give it a try. If you're very nice, they might even let you try on a hat with a picture. So big round of applause again. Thank you very much, guys. So next up, Kazukiyo Toyoshi.
It'll be the best of the worst mics.
That's nice, good.
I think so.
One for backup.
Feel free to change it if you're uncomfortable.
Can I start? Okay, yeah. So hello everyone, so my name is Toyoshima. I'm coming here to give you my idea and information about how you can attract the investment to your startup. I think most of you coming here is startups or engineers and wanting money from the investors maybe, or someone who support you. So I'm now, sorry, I start my introduction first. So I'm now 48 years old. Maybe it looks young because I'm Japanese. But I started my career as Anderson Consulting as a system engineer, and then moved to the business consulting practices. And after that, I started my career as a venture capitalist. And it was, I think, 2000. The internet started, and everybody had the hot feeling for the investment. But just only 1 year, everything has crashed. The internet bubble crashed. So my venture capital company, the company name is Global Venture Capital. So our company is focusing on the seed and early stage companies, not only Japan, the globally we visited. So when I visited to the Silicon Valley 2001, so everybody said, the B2B and B2C business model? Yes, I know. B2B means business to consumer, something like that. No, it's not the same. It's not like that. So B2C means back to consulting, and B2B means back to banks. So everybody gave up the startup and came back to the original business. But after that, from the 2001 and 2008, the age was really good. So our investment was very nice, and I spent very nice time. So I remember my first investment in virtual reality and augmented reality was 2003. Yeah, it's 40 years ago. And unfortunately, it's not successful, and it has gone. But the company has founded by one inventor who invents the laptop computer. He's 70 or 80 years old, and he has virtual reality and augmented reality basic patent. But there is no application at that time. But the iPhone comes up, and we can use a camera and application in that, and we can combine the actual video or picture, and also add some information on that. So the company has a patent about space search and geographical search. It's already available right now, but the company has such a patent and technology. But I think it's too early to start. So that's very important thing. The timing is very important. The company has has a very advanced technology and advanced business model, but I think the environment is not enough, and the company is too fast to start that kind of business. So and now I'm working at IBM, very old and established company, but I'm had one practice related to the startups. So IBM has IBM Blue Hub activity that practices. So Blue Hub is closely work together with the startup companies, because the new technology to market and to expand the new technology. So IBM also has an interest to work together with startups, because we understand that developers community is very important to expand the new technology. So that's why the IBM also has such an ecosystem activity inside ourselves. And now I'm teaching entrepreneurship in MBA school. MBA, the KIT, Kanazawa Kogyo Daigaku. It's very unique MBA school, and I'm teaching nighttime and Sunday and Monday. So my wife don't like to so, but I'm enjoying to teaching entrepreneurship and innovations. Okay. And we are now in a very exciting time and age. So I can say that it's a digital transformation age. So some people say, digitization or digital transformation or digital shift, but I say the digital transformation. So this is the fourth or fifth generation of the new IT and technology world. So first, innovation is happened by the hardware. The second, So software and application. And then internet comes up and Web 2.0. And now we call the new age as the digital age. The digital means cloud, IoT, and AI, and VR and AR. But these new technologies will be combined one single word, the digital, we call it digital. So what is the background of this new technology coming up? So very simply said, this is really dramatical change happening right now. And also it will continue for a long time for the future. So two factors are very important. So one is the data. The data is exponentially grown up to the very, very large size of scale. And also, the technology of computer is also grow as exponential, these are exponential curves. So right now, the computer has, I think, a mouse or the bug's brain, the same performance. But in the future, the computer will go over the human brains, and also in 2045, maybe the computer will go over the all human brain. All human brain. Yeah. So we expected that in this time, so the quantum computing, we will realize it at this time, and this dramatical change will happen. Yes. And in this age, so in the digital, VR and AR also are very, the interesting time to invest and receive money from the venture capitals. So this is the data from the CB Insight. This is company providing some data about the venture investment. And this is showing global financing means the ventures fundraising, the funding size and numbers. So last year, the AR, VR startups, 171 companies raised money from the venture capital, and the total money is 1,835 million dollars. So many huge money is moving around the VR ventures. And here is just list, the major list of the AR VR companies. Maybe the samurai companies here on the list. Not yet? No, it coming soon maybe, yeah. So many companies here, but someone know the Magic Leap? Yeah, this very, very famous company, I don't know the business model, but they raised the money, 1.4 billion US dollar. 1.4 billion US dollar, huge money, yeah. This is the news. I was really surprised. So I think this is the biggest size of the fundraising in the private company. But yeah, so many VR and AR companies here, and yes, and money also moving. And the important things for me is why is VR and AR is so attractive and so important. So this is my answer. So impressive. Yeah, the VR AR is related to the human interface between the human and the computers. So AI is related to the recognition and cognition technologies. And VR AR can provide the experience to the people and humans. So this loop is a new loop of the digital. So I believe the AI is also interesting, but that VR and AR can change the relationship between the human and computers totally. Not only gives a rich experience, rich information experience. So I believe the VR AR has a potentially has the power to change the interface between the human and the computers. This is very important because, of course, Google, Apple, many companies has interest in because VR can change the interface, user interface, totally everything. So, and I'm not sure that you are mostly the software or the computer engineering guys, but we venture capitalists are interested in the brain science area because deep learning, you know the deep learning? Deep learning is coming from the brain science. Yes. So to realize this loop, the brain science is also one very important area to understand and to apply new technology to that. Yes. Okay. And yes, importance is here two factors. The one is the market. If you are the startup or VR or AR company, so are you where the market you focusing on? Okay. Yes, game and entertainment is one of the interesting area. But other area, for example, education. Education also has a potential. And healthcare. Healthcare is also one of the very huge potential area. But for us, the healthcare area is really difficult to get in and create a new business because they have to create many regulation and also I had one experience. So I invested in one company who applied the geographical technology to the surgery of the brain. But the accuracy and stability is very high. If the system, the accuracy is not 0.1 millimeter accuracy is required because if it's something wrong, so the surgery will fail. So in the healthcare, it's really difficult to create such accuracy or the regulation or something like that. But if once you create the business is very big. Okay, and market is also important. Other things is a model. So one thing is the contents, and the second is the technology and service and device. So to make a VR business, so these elements should be tightly related. But each venture company has to focus on which model you are strong and you have advantage or differentiation. So from the venture capital point of view, so we invested in technology and services and devices. We never invest in the contents because the movie. Please give you an example. So movie. So movie also required huge fund to make one movie, two movie, like Hollywood or something like that. But the movie world, venture capital never invested in the movie production. So the content is very risky and it's not stable. So that's why the venture capitals interested in investing in technology, service, and devices, no contents. Okay. So VR and AR is really hot and good timing to invest, but we see the technology risk and market risk is still high, So if you are a startup company, you have to show what kind of technology you're using, what kind of technology advantage you have, and also some technology we want to understand the technology will be the standard or not. It's also important. Another thing is the market. So if you focus on the entertainment, so like samurai teams, so you have to show what kind of potentiality you have in the market. So if you focus on the technology applied to the healthcare industry, so you should answer how you can get in and how much market education cost or how much regulation clearance cost you have to pay. So that's kind of investment I needed to get each market. So technology and market, it's still growing now, but you have to show the potentiality and also the evidence, what kind of technology and what kind of advantage you have. That's very important. And venture capitalists assess the risk and do the due diligence from this 4 point of view: the technology risk and market risk, finance risk, and management risk. So management and finance is also important. Management is who manages the company and who leads the company. It's you, okay? But these two factors is also important. So if you give a pitch or make a business plan for the investors, so you have to think about these four risks, how we can clear and minimize the risk. Okay. Yes. Okay, my presentation is. Thank you very much.
Any questions?
I have a question.
Yes.
So I'm visiting from Silicon Valley with a lot of venture capitalists, and we are here also looking for a partner. And one of our advisors said that the investment culture in Japan is not at all like Silicon Valley. So could you tell us a little bit more about the difference of the investment culture and is there investment funds and
Yeah, good question. So I think Silicon Valley is really nice place to raise a fund and make a community, and very easy to get access to the angel and also venture capital investment partners. But if you look at Japan, yes, it's also good. Yeah, I agree that. So in Japan, we had I think 200 venture capital in Japan here, but mostly the institutional investors like bank venture capital or the insurance companies venture capital or something. So Silicon Valley, the many entrepreneurs and angel investors and like Sequoia, Benchmark, they are the independent venture capital. It's quite small in Japan. So that's yeah, I agree that it's a trouble, but that recently, so many independent venture capital firm startup, and they had I think more than 100 million or 50 million investment fund size. So they can invest in more than 1 million for one deals and one round. So I think not enough still, but I think it's really much better than before.
Any other questions? Or a few hands hovering. Yeah.
In addition to that, would you recommend that company or people, teams from other countries, if they do want to do business in Japan, would you recommend them to seek out investors elsewhere or try to actually come to Japan to do that? Because you said there's a limit, but would you actually want people to come here and seek out investments, or would you recommend they, if they're from San Francisco, Silicon Valley, stay there as opposed to coming here?
Yes, that's good question. So when I was a venture capitalist at my venture capital company, so I invested in a Japanese company, and also I invested in a Japanese company who owned by the international teams. We don't care where the company exists and who is manager or who is executives. We don't care. So I focus on the management capability and also the market and the advantage of the technology. And also that if you had some advantage to start up in Japan, and the reason is related to your your team is foreigners or international teams, that's good. But it's not related, so it doesn't matter for me. But so for me, the starting something is very, like heavy lifting. So the startup and find a good customer. So I think a local team or local relationship with a client or market is very important, So the point is how you can start up and how you can get the first customer and how you can scale it out in your targeted market is very important. Yeah.
Any other questions? Cool. Big round of applause.
Thank you very much.
Microphone. Nice to last the whole event. Well, the whole talk, which is a first for us. So to wrap up, just want to say thank you all for coming. Hope we get to see you again. This has only been our second event, so we're still kind of finding our feet as event organisers. So we really appreciate your support. We appreciate you coming out here. Please kind of give us your suggestions. Tell us what you'd like to see at future events. Thanks all for coming. Thanks again to all our speakers and to our exhibitors today as well. So get over to the corner, try out the client experience on the Oculus with Scott. Speak to Mori-san and have a go on the HoloLens. That's great fun too. And the computer team as well will be ready to maybe let you try on their hat, but definitely let you try their demo. So round of applause for everyone. And thanks all for coming.
今日はお越しいただきありがとうございます。ですね、話していた通り、今から体験コーナーを楽しみましょう。その前にネットワーキングとピッツァのところですね、ピッツァとネットワーキングセッションの上にちょっとご協力をお願いしたいんですけど、この椅子を全部右側に一緒に運びましょう。
Oh yes. One last kindness request before we let you feast on pizza. If you can grab a chair and just move it to the side, that would be awesome. That gives us more space for everyone to kind of chat a little bit. So thanks a lot.
はい、ありがとうございました。
No, you can grab my shoe.
That works.
Something that I can put up on the screen. I've done it
I have this file on the website. You go to the website.
Just 1 year. You guys? More than 10 years. Wow. Oh my god. So now. You guys married? Once you hit 10 years, you get married. Pretty much. It seems after 10 years, yeah, you get married. I consult on websites. No. I haven't tried it, but I can see, I can see it from far away. Yeah, up and down. Let me get one more piece for you. Okay.
Sorry.